Sick of this. Every time I go to that lecture I end up covered in spit. Oh. If only they'd put a spit screen up in front of the lecture hall. If only there was someone to talk to who could get that sorted.
Well, how about your star?
Who said that?
I did.
Hi, I'm Graham Brittles, your candidate for Vice President of Education this year. Yeah. What's a star? Surely you remember your star. Your student academic rep. You were asked if you wanted to be one back in September. Oh yeah, I know what. You know what though? We never ever found out who won that. Well, I don't blame you, to be honest. It's easy to forget about someone if they disappear after a few weeks and you don't seem to know how to get in touch with them. So if you vote for me to be your Vice President of Education, I'm going to make sure that all the stars have their own space on Xstream for you to get in touch with them with your course problems. I'm also going to encourage them to set up Facebook and Twitter accounts so that you can get in touch with them on your favourite social networks. Sounds great. I'm definitely voting for you, you clever, sexy man. Why, thank you, can't say. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to go and meet some more students, and it looks like you need a shower. Alright, sound. See you later. If you like the sound of that, then vote for me to be your Vice President of Education when the polls open on Monday the 27th of February. I've got other great ideas as well, so if you want to see what I plan to do if you vote for me, go to my site gbvp.wordpress.com. Remember, be sure to register your vote, and if you want to unleash your university's potential, vote GB for VP. Thanks for watching. Oh, and don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Twitter.